We learn to count numbers forward. In the school, you go up and down the stairs. Yes? And when you go down the stairs, what do? Up the stairs, 1, 2, 3, you count it. Then you count backwards. Isn't it? You have counted 1 for the first step there. Then you stand on the top and you start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you keep jumping and coming. Isn't it? So numbers are helping us to play games. Yes? So now what we are going to do is, we finish counting forward. Now we are going to count numerals backward. So forward and backward. We finished doing right numerals 1 to 100. The same numerals. The same numeral, we are going to count it backward. That is 100. We start with 100. So we come up to 1. Then as we write, we'll count and write the numerals. And this time it is backward. We are going to write the numerals backward. Forward, backward. Forward, going up. Backward, coming down, down, down. So we begin again with 100. Now we think back. Less 1. Oh, 100. When you say 100, now I must write 1 less. Here, when you wrote forward number, you added 1 to 1 every time. In the backward counting, you're going to minus every time 1. Take away. Now I got 100. Now minus 100, you get 99. So that's what we are going to do. Take away 1 as you count and write. 100, 99. What will the next be? 98. Very good. 1 less. Yeah, 9, 8. Be 7. Very good. 97. You can see the pattern here. You are following a pattern. 1 less. 96. 1 less. 95. 1 less. 94. 1 less. 93. 1 less. 92. And 1 less. 91. Now what we did here is counting and writing numeral backward every time 1 less. We are minusing, taking away. Now let's go the right 90. Again the same thing. 1 less. We are counting backward. Let's say 90. 90. 1 less. Okay? 1 less, that will be 90, 89. 1 less, 88. 1 less, 87. 1 less, 86. Go on. 85. See the pattern. 9, 8, 7, 6. So, 84. Next, 1 less. 83, 1 less. 82, wow, 81. Okay, so we learned count and write numerals backward. What's the next numeral? 80. Next numeral is 80. Now 1 less, good. 79, good. 78, follow the pattern, 987. Yes, next is 77. 76, good. 1 less, 75. 74, 73. Good. 72. 71. What's the next numeral? The next numeral is 70. Very good. So now next numeral is 70. Backward. Count and write numerals backward. 70. One less. 69. Good. One less. 68. One less. 67. One less. 66. One less. 65. One less. 64. One less. 63. 62. And we come to the numeral 61. We learn to count. We learn to write numerals, backward counting. Okay, next numeral 60. Very good. Come on now. One less. 59. 58. Good. One less. 57. 56. Next. 55. 54. Next. 53. Next. One less. 52. 51. We learned so far to count and write the numerals backward. 100 to 51. Now what's the next number? 50. What's the next numeral? 50. Yeah. We got the numeral 50. One less. 49. Very good. Next. 48. One less. 47. One less. 46. See the pattern. 45. Good. 44. 43. One less. 42 and 41. Now we learn to count backward and write from 100 to 41. What's the next numeral? 40. Very good. The next numeral is 40. One less. 39. One less. 38. Very good. 37. One less. 36. One less. 35. One less. 34. One less. 33. Good. One less. 32. And one less. 31. We learn to count and write the numerals backward from 100 to 30 numeral. What is the next number? Next numeral? 30. You get 30. One less? 29. One less? 28. One less? 27. One less? 26. One less? 25. One less? 24. One less? 23. One less? 22. And finally you get 21. We learn to count and write numerals backward from 100 to 21. What's the next numeral? The next numeral is 20. The next numeral is 20. And the next number one less? 19. Next, 18. Good. One less? 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. Good. We learn to count and write backward numerals from 100 to 11. What's the next number? 10. Very good. 10. 9. Good. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, 1. What did we learn? Counting backwards. Writing, seeing and writing. You see now? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, look here. 10. There is 10, 100, 99, 98, always one less. Look at the pattern. The number is same, but 9, 8, 7, 6. You are following a regular pattern.